Welcome to Mortgage MarketSmart. In this video, we're going to look at the dashboard and what these tiles do and where their data sources come from. So, when you first log into the system, you get to this dashboard, and you'll notice that there are 9 tiles of interest. Those 9. The first couple have to do with starting a project, right? If we click on Start a Project, I can go directly to a blank map and from there start adding data to that map. If I click on Create a Report, what happens is I get started with a data wizard that asks me what kind of information I would like to see on the map. And from there, it will build a map with my layer that I have selected. So these are the two blue layers that bring us to a map. It depends on your preference on how to get there. The two purple layers have to do with historical data or HMDA data. The first one is a report whereby I would be able to see who the top lenders are in any geography and then be able to segment those top lenders to say, okay, well, who are the top lenders by race or ethnicity? Who are the top lenders by loan type, whether it's conventional or government, and then who are the top lenders by borrower income. So, for example, who is the top lender in a specific geography for low to moderate income census tracts. This tile has to do with viewing the HMDA data, but visually on top of a map. So I would be able to see in a heat map where a specific lender originated loans in a market. So the red indicator would mean that that lender originated more loans in this area versus a blue indicator would mean that lender originated fewer loans in that area. So those are the HMDA tiles. These next green tiles are associated with county recorder data. So this first report lets us look at who the top loan officers were in a specific market based on current county recorder data. So while the purple tiles look backwards or look historically, these tiles look at the present, and these allow you to look at the most recent production volumes. The LO information here can also be pivoted into the organizations. So we can look at individual LOs, or we can look at the market share for the most recent market share for individual organizations in a geography. This tile is the same as this one, but again using the county recorder data. So here we would be able to see where a specific lender has been originating loans in the current year. And then this last green tile is for users who want a data dump of the information. So this allows you to get to property level transactions. So instead of seeing who the top lenders were in a specific market, you could see all of the transactions in a specific market and then manipulate them via Excel. And then finally, these two orange tiles have to do with MLS information. This tile allows you to place MLS listings on top of a map, and so being able to see them visually. And then this tile allows you to see who the top agents are in a specific market and be able to toggle between top agents overall, or top agents in low to moderate income census tracts, or top agents in majority minority census tracts, and so on. So that is our preview. If you want to think of it a different way, this is the future because it looks at our forecasts. This is the past because it looks at historical HMDA data. And then the green and orange are the present because they look at top LOs and top agents based on county recorder and based on MLS data. Thanks for watching. See you next time.